Hey guys, so tonight's video, if you're a big fan of the Twilight series, I want to show off my new sweat jacket from Washington. If you love Twilight, this is the sweater for you. Fort Washington. Where the Twilight series, the movies that we love to admire, with your favorite vampires, werewolves. This is the sweater for you, for all the Twilight fans out there. Fort Washington, not DC. And I will wear this in the morning. And I got this for my phone, which I'll be taking it with me. And I got some cool stickers too. So yeah, I got the Fort Washington Bigfoot sticker, in the Twilight Fort Washington, where the film has been taking place there. So I hope you like those stickers. And then from VCC, I got a little coloring book with some colors. And the last thing I want to show you, I got my new phone case. Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you guys like this little haul, and I hope you guys give this a big thumbs up for my new for the Twilight Saga haul and Ninja haul as well. And I see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Stay tuned for more great unboxings, and you will get to see that soon enough. And I'm bringing you guys with me tomorrow for a whole new adventure to Texas. So see you guys in the morning. Give it a big thumb blast, and that'll be great. And I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. And I will see you guys later. Make sure you thumb blast this video. Make sure you hit subscribe down below to my channel. And I will see you guys later. Tomorrow. Peace.